Poliisi ya Uganda erabudde abazadde okusingira ddala abaami abettanidde ennyo omuze gw'okukebeza abaana okuzuula obuzaale bwabwe ekimanyiddwa ennyo nga DNA kyagambye nti kitandise okuleeta obuzibu mu maka. Ensangi zino abantu bangi baddukidde mu malwaliro ag'enjawulo okukebeza abaana okuzuula obuzadde bwabwe naddala abasajja, nga bangi okusinziira ku poliisi bazudde ebibakanga nga kireeseewo obutabanguko mu maka, nga kino kisaanye okwetegerezebwa ennyo nga bakikola.
There's been a demand for DNA testing. It is steadily increasing, and we are seeing children falling victim where some of their rights are abused. You find bloggers, people from the media taking photographs of children who are heartbroken, crying, and this, it's a violence towards the rights of children. So we have really come out to give some guidance surrounding the steady increase for DNA testing.
Omwogezi wa poliisi mu ggwanga Fred Enanga agamba nti amalwaliro ate nago ennaku zino mangi agalabika nga gakola enteekateeka eno, so nga agamu tegalina bisaanyizo, nga n'abamu bandibanga basobola okutaataaganya omusaayi guno nga gutambula okugutwala gye gwekebejjebwa.
Come out positive, they are always happy to receive the results because of the better proof. However, we have witnessed clients whose results have come out negatively. And this has evoked very strong emotions. Some are contemplating suicide, others are rebuking the children and insulting them as well as their partners. And this has further been exaggerated by the media hype. You know, the media bloggers go extents of really portraying some of these these negative tests as an abomination or something that is very bad in society. And they put an alarm over the DNA results, which has started affecting the privacy of children. First of all, their welfare becomes uncertain. They don't know their future, their education, things to do with their housing and accommodation and other results, because the alleged father will no longer have a legal obligation to pay child support and welfare. And so we'd like to warn the public against recording children at a loss of relationship, and that is why we've come out. Stop recording these children. It is traumatizing. And you can see how to use maturity in handling these DNA things.